If you are looking for a high quality frying pan that's truly going to last you a lifetime, let me introduce to you the Chefwin 10.2-inch frying pan. Now this video is sponsored, but my opinions are completely my own. I have already been putting this to the test for the last week, and let me get into what I love about this pan and what you need to know. Well, let's get to it. Now this is, like I said, a 10.2-inch pan. It is also a deep pan. It is a 2.3-inch deep pan, and it doesn't have very spread out sides. They are more pot-like, so you can use this for both frying, sautéing, even boiling up some rice, whatever you want in it. And with that in mind, it does actually have measurements on it up to 2 liters. I don't know how long these measurement lines will last, but they are there for now, and that is a helpful little feature there. But the key piece for me is that this is 316 stainless steel with a 5-ply bottom. And that 5-ply bottom is 316 stainless steel followed by 3 different aluminums and ending with stainless steel on the exterior. And that's going to give you a much more even cook, a just really nice heat retention, everything you want in a high quality pan that really is designed to last. And what I love about stainless steel pans is that not only is there nothing that's going to get in my food, there's no metallic taste, there's no real issue with acidity with 316 stainless steel in particular. It is exceptionally high quality, but you can also really mistreat these pans and they're going to continue to serve you beautifully. If you really burn it, if you dent it up, if you cause scratches or ugliness in it, it's still going to cook wonderfully, and you can take things like steel wool to this or baking soda or any other harsh cleaner to get it back to perfect. And it's also so exceptional because this is great for stovetop, whether you are using induction, electric, or gas, and this is great to put in the oven. And you may see that I keep swinging it around because it really feels just amazing in my hands. I love the way it hooks on. It's a very clean connection here. There aren't any obvious screws that are going to come loose. It's just completely welded to the main part of this deep skillet. Clean all around. Now, I've already cooked a few things with Chefwin, from pork chops to fried rice to even just doing an omelet to boiling some water. And what I have noticed off the bat is that very consistent cook. When I am boiling water, it is a much more spread out boil than the flames on my stove. And when I move it off of the flames, it still retains heat fairly well for a fair amount of time. So that's really something I look for in a pan, and this definitely provides that. Now here's a couple of things you probably will want to think about with this pan. First off, because it's using premium grade materials, it is going to cost more. This is a fantastic brand, really impressive cookware, but it is at a slightly higher cost because of that. And I actually think the price on this is exceptional considering the premium materials and that 5-ply bottom and the fact that this is going to last a lifetime. But that's really up to you if it is worth it for you. The other piece is because of all those really durable materials, it has some weight to it. This is a 3-pound pan, and I can feel it right now without any food in it. And when you really fill it up, you can get a little arm fatigue, or if you're trying to serve out of it, you'll probably want a hot mitt on this side just so you really can hold it. So that's one thing to keep in mind with these pans. They're just going to be a little bit heavier. But all that said, if there was one pan that I think you should seriously consider, it is this 10.2 deep skillet from Chefwin. This is going to serve you in so many different ways, really last a lifetime. I know you're going to love this pan, and I am so thrilled that I have this pan, as I will be using it all the time moving forward. The Chefwin 10.2-inch deep skillet.